Hello friends and welcome back to another new release video for La La Land Crafts, and this is featuring products from the February La La Land Crafts release. And today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute card using my Marcy with phone and a few of the new die cuts that came, and this awesome Hello Life paper pack, which I'm absolutely in love with. I can't wait to use that in my planner. And I'm just going to kind of quickly show you here on the cover all the beautiful papers that are in this paper pack. Love, love, love La La Land Crafts papers. And this is my palette, this is what I chose. And that is also how I colored in Marcy, was based off of the color palette there. I'm also going to use the telephone die, the telephone cord die, and the hello die, and also the large stitched tags. So I started out by kind of cutting everything down to size. I cut out a tag and a topper. I cut out this little phone here and kind of put it together. You can see there when you look at the die that the rotary part on the front of the phone is separate, so you can change the color of that. I've also cut out hello from the polka dot paper, and then the sentiment came from Marcy's stamp set, which is one of them is just wanted to say, and I thought that was super cute with the hello. So I'm placing down my card panel here on my 4¼ by 5½ card base. And this tag, I just wanted a pop of something behind Marcy so that she wasn't just sitting on plain lined paper. And I think it came out really cute, but unfortunately you really can't tell that there's a tag behind her after you put it on there. It just kind of looks like the paper. But it still looks really cute, I think. So now I'm going to place down hello in the corner, and I'd already cut them out and put some paper, double-sided tape on the back just to make it a little bit faster for me. And so I'm just going to line it all the way across the bottom. Try to make it as even as possible using my favorite tool, the reverse tweezers. I didn't put enough glue on this. Just use those favorite tools once more. So I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of Marcy and pop her up right over that tag. And as you can see, you really can't tell there's a tag back there anymore, but it's okay because I still love that pop of color behind her. I'm also going to pop up the telephone and the just wanted to say hi. Kind of playing around with the phone cord to see where I know I want it in a couple of different places, but I didn't want it to be where you couldn't see it. So what I'm going to do is pop up the sentiment first, and then put the phone on top of that, and then I'll see what space I have left over for the phone cord, because I didn't want to stick it behind everybody, because then you probably wouldn't even be able to tell that there was a phone cord back there, and I really think that's a super cute accent. So I wanted to make sure it was in a place where you could really see it. So I opted for the two corners opposites of each other. So I'm just going to kind of trim it down so it'll fit a little piece of it behind Marcy, and then the other piece of it will go in the upper right hand corner. And then once, I don't know if you guys ever use this kind of, the paper that doesn't have a back on it, the metal, this kind of metal paper, the silver and the gold and all that. If it doesn't have that craft on the back, it's really hard to stick down. And stuff just, you got to really hang on to it and make sure that you don't let it move, or else it just will not stick. I like the one with the craft behind it, but I ran out, so. Anyway, so there's my phone cord up in the top corner, and I'm just going to trim off my little tails here. I hope you guys are really enjoying this release. I love it. I can't wait to show you guys my next project. I have another one tomorrow, which will be featured on the blog, and then I have another tutorial that'll be coming up next week, and I'll be featuring a lot of the new Paris dies in that one. I'm super excited. So here's another little idea. So you notice in this paper pack, a lot of these are lined like note paper. Wouldn't this be like the cutest card ever if you just like cut down one of those pieces, put it inside, and then wrote a note like as if it was, you know, you're writing a letter? I just think that was so adorable. I love this paper pack. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a good time with all of the new products from La La Land, and I will see you again very, very soon with more projects featuring the February release. Have a great day. Bye-bye.